Yo, what's good, y'all? It's New World, Cali Most Wanted. Man, we're over here at a local burger restaurant, man. One of those OG home-field burger restaurants you find in California. It's called Angelo's Charbroiled Burgers. Today I got the chili cheeseburger with the fries. You can see right here. Chili cheeseburger, fries. Put the little ketchup on the side. Out the first bite. It's pretty good. Not the best chili cheeseburger that I've had, but it's good though. I'll give it like a 7.5. I'll throw the 0.5 in there. Proud to try it. Fries are solid though. They didn't go wrong with the fries. It's like an 8. Shout out Angelo's Charbroiled Burgers. It's another Cali Most Wanted approved restaurant. It's our second review, but we're just getting started, y'all. Much love. Until next time.